Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Mrs. Blue. Today we're going to talk about basic bossa nova guitar and specifically easy rhythm. So we're going to start about rhythm, and rhythm is really important in any Latin genre, also bossa nova. I'm going to show you a little bit. And so on. Sounded like nothing. In fact, today we only talk about having the perception of timing and where you are in the bar. So you need to learn counting, you need to learn play quarter notes while counting, and you need to learn offbeats on specific counts. That's what we're going to talk about. It's not probably the most exciting tutorial of all times, but it's one of the most important ones, because in all Latin genres, I already told you, rhythm is king. And if you cannot control rhythm, then there's no king. Yeah, so the basic thing which we need to learn today, as I already said, counting and playing while counting. And to make it really, really easy, we just play one note, but we completely focus on the counting, okay? So this is a backing track. I play the piano, by the way, and the bass. We just play the A here because it's a progression: A minor 7, 1 bar to 2 bars to 1 bar, B minor 7 flat 5 to 1 bar, E7. So we just play one note, or later you can also play more than one note as long as you can control the time, okay? The main thing is that while you play, you should always be aware where in the time you are. These are exercises which have to be done really properly. Once you can do them properly, you don't need to do it so strict anymore. But during the phase of where you exercise this stuff, you have to be really strict and really on the topics which I'm going to talk about now. So, first thing, you just take the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, you count. You don't see my foot, the foot is going with the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And now you stop playing. And probably you think that's not hard, but most students which came into the studio, like I would say, 95% of all students cannot count till 4 while playing. So this has to be exercise that you can play quarter notes and that you hit specific quarter notes. Now I wrote down a few examples here, but just to help you to get an idea what you can do. But basically we can just, let's do an exercise. We play the first and the third, and the other twos are paused, just with one note, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you feel secure with it, you can also start to alter the melody. That's upon to you. It's not really, the melody is not the part, but if you can do, then you can do it. Now you can also do, I don't know, 1 and 2, maybe. What are the examples here? Here we have 1 and 2, and the 4, and the second bar will be just the third. So now we do 1, 2, 4, and the second bar just the third. So try to also make 2 bar patterns, okay? Let's do that. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I missed it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I got it right. That's what I meant with being really strict, because trust me on this thing, even if you're a good player and you never done this before, you should do this exercise. I learned it the hard way, because I had quite a lot of talent when I started guitar, so I skipped many things which supposed to be done at the beginning, and I had to redo them later. And then it was really hard to go back to the basics because I already could play quite complicated stuff. So even if you're a good player, don't take these exercises here on the light side. Okay? So these were now on beats. Now we're going to play off beats. There are two ways of doing off beats in the beginning phase. The easiest way, if you have really problems with the off beats, like 1 and 2 and 3. So you, with the foot, which is counting 1 and 2 and 3, you do the off beats will be all upstrokes. So then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. First of all, you can try to do this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2. That one is quite easy because it goes automatically with the foot within this synced. But also try 1 and 2 with downstrokes instead of upstrokes. So now the foot and the picking hand is countersynced. That's the harder thing, but you also have to do this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. Good. Next thing will be you pick several things. I again wrote down something here. Let me see. The 1 end and the 2 end and the 4 end are probably most common ones. The 3 end not so much. But now we try to hit just the 1 end for 2 bars, then we try to hit the 2 end for 2 bars, then we try to hit the 3 end for 2 bars, and then we try to hit the 4 end for 2 bars. So we're going to play 8 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. Now the 2 end. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now the 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can do that with no problems, then you're ready for the next step. Now comes the real thing. When you do any type of Latin genre, it's always a mix between on beats, off beats, but a lot of times it's basically off beats. Okay? So we learned the main syncopizations which are done is the one with 1 and 2 ends. So you play one on count 1 and one on count 2 end, and the other one will be 4 end as an anticipation for the next bar. First we do the 1 and 2 end. Okay. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. Next will be we do the 4 end, but the 4 end is mostly you hold it for a certain duration. In the next bar we just hold it for 1 bar and then do the 4 end again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I missed it. 3, 4 and 1, 3, 4. I missed it again. Sorry. Yeah, it's because I'm talking. But you should be able to do that quite easy. Now we do the 1 and 2 end again where we hold the note, and then we do the 4 end. We hold the note on the 2 end till the 4 end, then we play the 1 again, and then we hold it for the next full bar. When you can do that, you fulfilled the task for today's lesson, because then you already no, there's another task. We do that as well. But this is the main task. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. While count 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now I missed it because I wanted to say something. So that has to be done as well. And what did I write? Oh yeah. These are several variations. Now we can do 2 8 notes on count 1, but we do the same figure. We make 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, and then we're quite there where we want to be. Now we play 2 8 notes on the 1, on the 2 end comes the long note, on the 4 end the next one. 1 and 2 and 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 1 and 2 and 3 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 4. Yo, if you fulfilled all those exercises, then you fulfilled the task and you're ready to go to the next step. What you probably have noticed, I did the offbeats as downstrokes. Why? Because they have a more genre-specific vibe from my point of view. But later on, when you do soloing and you have complex figures, you probably don't have all time to do the downstrokes in any situations. But in these situations, well, you can do this. You can do it with upstroke or downstroke, or better with both. That you're can switch between the two methods. Yo, however, I know this exercise here is not really the coolest on the earth, but probably one of the most important ones, at least when it comes to bossa nova guitar. Learn rhythm notation. I wrote it down for you guys. It's available as Guitar Pro, that you can play back these exercises and you can hear how it sounds. You can put on the metronome, learn to work with the metronome, learn to read rhythm, because while you learn reading rhythm, you also learn how to count, and you hear rhythm, how it's written, then it's going to be correct. And then you put it in any kind of backing track. I produced one for you guys, quite easy to go. This stuff is available in the HPCrazy Guitar community. Don't miss it out. Please join them. Please become a premium member also in order to support the work which me and Mrs. Blue are doing for the guitar community. And please also subscribe to my channel for more basic bossa nova guitar tutorials coming. That was easy rhythm 1, more to come, of course. See you guys.